In this video, I'll be showing you how to expand images using Photoshop's new Generative Fill AI. So let's launch Photoshop Beta. Now let's open an image. Let's use this one. Now let's say we wanted a little bit more of the background scenery. Now let's zoom out a bit. Now what I'd recommend you to do is to select C or press C on your keyboard. Now this brings up the crop tool, where the ratio up here you'd see ratio. You could set it as 1:1 square, hold Alt and expand the image. Let's say about here and select the check mark when you're done. Now we need to select the rectangular marquee tool, highlight a region and ensure that you select a piece of the picture as well. Now you'd want to select Shift and highlight some more. Keep on holding Shift, highlight some more of the picture, and let's highlight the last bit of the picture. Now once you've highlighted the outer edge of the picture, you need to select Generative Fill, Generate, and give that a few seconds to load. And look at that. And you could select variations over here. This is just amazing. Yeah, so that is how you'd be able to expand your images using Generative Fill. You could simply export and share. So thank you for watching. Hope this video was helpful. So let's do a quick recap. So first things first, load your image. Select the crop tool by pressing C, or you could look for this icon on the left pane. Then hold Alt, expand to where you want your image to expand. So we could expand our image, select the ratio, set it to square ratio or whichever ratio you'll be using. Then use the rectangular marquee tool to highlight the areas around the image while selecting a piece of the image. And that's basically how to do it. Select Generative Fill and you're good to go. So thank you for watching. Hope this video is helpful. Hacker 007 out.